Be sure to give him a like. Great demo. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Cody Starnes. I got two ZB5 18s with SPL Cones and surrounds. SCV 7500. They're dual twos, wired at a half ohm. I have a Brand X 390 under the hood. 110 amp hour of A123 lithium.
Wow, nice.
Yep. I think there's 5 grounds, 3 positives. Going to this, and then B-pillar flat wall, tuned at 28 hertz. I think it was roughly around 18 cubes after displacement.
You built this?
Me and my buddy did. Yep.
All right, nice job.
The one in that white shirt right there is the one me and him did.
What made you put the amp right here?
Just space limited, and I could not break my heart in cutting a hole through the bed.
Yes, sir.
I tried so hard to try and find anywhere else to put it, but it was just one of those things.
Yes, sir. Looks really good.
Thank you.
What size alternator?
390.
390.
Yep,
all right. I really like the style of your box too.
Yes.
The dual sub setup. Yep. Even having the amp here, honestly, it probably helped you not have to do a lot of fab work.
Like a lot of people are like hit and miss. Like with it, they're like, it's on the face, but it's like, honestly, I just tell people, you know, it's a triple face baffle. You know, I feel like it flexes less than anything else in the truck. Really.
Yeah. If you made it solid, which looks like you did a good job.
Yeah.
And you sealed it off right.
Yep. Did you want to see under the hood?
Yeah, man. I'd love to.
Yeah.
Be sure to give him a like. Great demo. All right. All right, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, see you online.
Oh, yeah.
Put on my apron, I'm cooking them. Order a little, she put it in. She hit it up in it. Ain't no way I can have it. She put her hand on the page. She put designer on it, and I be helping her spin it. We a product. Back in my windows, back in my niggas is in it. We putting it back in your door. Put on my apron, I'm cooking the phone. I order a little, she put it in. She hit it up in it. Ain't no way I can have it. She put her hand on the page. She put designer on it, and I be helping her spin it. We ain't proud of it, really. Most of the corners we really. The Billy is black in my windows, black in my niggas is in it. You can be sure. Rebellions war, and I be feeling the war. We frontin' in back of your door. This motherfucker, we take it.
awesome, man.
Yeah, I'm so
Thank you
glad
very
you-
much for the
yeah,
demo. That's
I'm so
awesome.
glad you got to hear
Nice
it.
job. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
I really like the style of your box too.
Yes.
The dual sub setup.
Yep.
Even having the amp here, honestly, it's probably helped you not have to do a lot of fab
it's like
work.
like a lot of people are like hit and miss, like
Yeah.
with it. They're like, it's on the face, but it's like,
Yeah.
honestly, I just tell people, you know, if it's a triple phase baffle, you know, I feel like it
Yeah.
flexes less than anything else in the truck, really.
Yeah, if you made it solid, which looks like you did a good job.
Yeah.
And you sealed it off right.
Yep.
Swap is out. Put on my apron, I'm cooking the phone. I order a little, she pulling me out.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.